America. Fried green tomatoes, crispy, tangy, and oh so good. Southern comfort food at its finest, fried catfish. Buttery, succulent lobster. Hey everyone, welcome to our exciting new series, 50 States, 50 Foods. Are you ready for a delicious journey across America? We're about to embark on an epic food adventure that will take us through every single state. From the bustling streets of New York to the sunny beaches of California, we're about to eat our way through all 50 states. We're talking mountains of food, rivers of gravy, and enough fried goodness to satisfy even the pickiest of eaters. Imagine the most mouth-watering dishes you can think of, and then multiply that by 50. Today, we're diving into the most popular foods from each of the 50 states. From Maine's lobster rolls to Texas barbecue, every state has its own unique flavor. From coast to coast, we're going to uncover the craziest, tastiest, and most iconic dishes this country has to offer. Each bite will tell a story of tradition, culture, and pure deliciousness. Get your taste buds ready because this is going to be one tasty ride. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on this culinary journey across America. Fried green tomatoes, crispy, tangy, and oh so good. This king crab is bigger than my head. Deep fried and loaded, it's chimichanga time. Southern comfort food at its finest, fried catfish. Avocado toast, even hipsters love this one. Don't ask what they are, just try them. Buttery, succulent lobster, what's not to love? Scrapple, it's a Delaware breakfast tradition. Sweet, tangy, and refreshing, it's key lime pie. Juicy peaches and a crumbly topping peach cobbler. Fresh, flavorful, and oh so Hawaiian, it's poke. Potatoes, you can do anything with them. Cheesy, saucy, and deep, it's Chicago deep dish. This pork tenderloin sandwich is bigger than my plate. Sweet, buttery, and perfect for summer. Corn on the cob. Smoky, tender, and finger-licking good BBQ ribs. Crispy, juicy, and oh so flavorful Kentucky Fried Chicken. Spicy, rich, and full of flavor, it's gumbo time. Fresh, sweet, and straight from the ocean, Maine lobster. Crispy outside, tender inside, it's crab cake time. Creamy, hearty, and perfect for a chilly day, clam chowder. Chili, cheese, and onions, it's a Coney Island classic. Comforting, cheesy, and full of goodness, it's hot dish. Rich, chocolatey, and oh so decadent, it's mud pie. Crispy, cheesy, and totally addictive, toasted ravioli. Lean, flavorful, and a taste of the Wild West, the bison burger is a true Montana delicacy, grilled to perfection. Savory, doughy, and filled with deliciousness, it's a ronza, Fresh, tangy, and perfect for any occasion. Shrimp cocktail. Sweet, spiced, and perfect for fall. Apple cider donuts. Salty, savory, and a Jersey breakfast staple pork roll. Spicy, hearty, and full of flavor. Green chili stew. Chewy, doughy, and endlessly customizable. It's a bagel. Smoky, tender, and perfect on a bun pulled pork. Creamy, comforting, and full of dumplings Neufla soup. Sweet, nutty, and also chocolatey, it's Buckeyes. Crispy, tender, and smothered in gravy chicken fried steak. Sweet, tart, and bursting with flavor Marionberry pie. Cheesy, meaty, and a Philadelphia classic, the cheese steak. Crispy, golden, and filled with clam goodness, clam cakes. Creamy, savory, and a southern classic, shrimp and grits. Tender, flavorful, and a South Dakota tradition, chislic. Spicy, crispy, and not for the faint of heart, hot chicken. Smoky, tender, and full of Texas flavor brisket. Jiggly, wobbly, and a Utah classic, it's Jello. Sweet, rich, and perfect on pancakes, Vermont maple syrup. Salty, savory, and a southern tradition, ham biscuits. Fresh, flavorful, and straight from the Pacific salmon. Savory, cheesy, and a West Virginia classic, the pepperoni roll. Squeaky, cheesy, and oh so satisfying cheese curds. Hearty, flavorful, and perfect for a cold day bison chili. And there you have it, folks. We've taken you on a culinary journey across the United States, exploring the most popular foods from all 50 states. We've laughed, we've cried from the spiciness, and we've definitely eaten our weight in deliciousness. From the savory to the sweet, each state has its own unique flavor. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious content. We appreciate your support and see you next time on our tasty adventures.